Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I think it's a Amazon, but if it's a normal website, I'll leave the link down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside, and you guys can check them out. All you gotta do is click that link and hit the like button and the subscribe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what this could be. Oh boy. Oh boy, here we go. Alright. Not sure who this is from, but it is a high pressure washer. Should be easy peasy. Got some rollers for the washer to roll it around. Right there. There's two more. Those right there. Some kind of handle. You got different sizes of pressure. That was a good thing. Here we go. We got a handle for the nozzle. That one's done. And here is a washer gun. Nice blue. And let me grab this out of the box. Pretty heavy. Oh boy. Alrighty. We got the hose right here. Good amount of hose. Bottle. Get everything out of that box. Oh, alright, cool. The name is right there. Looks good. Here's the back cord right there. And indoors. Put it inside. Hose. Alright, I'm going to put this together. Be right back. Alright guys, we got it all hooked up. Cord right around there. Plugged into the back. Like so. This comes with a handle. Really nice. Here are the nozzles from the bag. Each one is a different degree to use for spraying. And let me... The red one is going to be 0 degrees. The yellow one, or the orange, it's 15 degrees. And the green is 25 degrees. The white is 40 degrees. It also comes with a reset key. It's one of these type deals. So make sure it's in the bag. And I got one of these. We're just going to plug it in. Here's where the nozzle goes. Pretty easy to install. I think my phone's going to die. Should just pop it in. There it goes. And then let me plug this in. definitely check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Really cool power washer. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.